present.
Hi, Allison. Would you like to come out and play with me?
Sure. What's wrong with your voice?
Nothing. I said you want to come out and play with me.
Sure. Let's go.
Let's go.
What?
That wasn't very funny.
Val's been acting strange today.
Really?
Yeah.
Well, I'll stay with you for now, and I don't trust her.
Okay. I got hit from the mouth, fool. Let me see.
Let me see that. Do you want to go?
I didn't know that was a
Sorry?
like that. Do you want to stick with my Mountain Dew?
Yes, I will, thank you.
Don't fall. Oh, ow.
Do you want to go there? Because there's light.
You want to stick with my Mountain Dew?
Yes, I will, thank you. Crack. Do you want to go to the construction site?
Come on.
Hold on.
You want some of my Mountain Dew?
Why, yes, I would, thank you.
Yeah.
Would you like to go to the construction site and play?
Okay.
A lot of fun.
I really don't think we should play in there.
Shut up, it'll be a lot of fun. Hey, let's go in the tubes and play.
That doesn't look like a very good idea. It's dangerous.
Oh, come on. Let's have some fun.
I told you. I told you.
He was right.
I'm going to turn this world into a crazy one.
Wait, where's Val?
Look.
You gotta stop him.
Let's go.
The world is mine. The world is mine.
I know how to get him. Give me the Mountain Dew.
Try it again.
Come on, Allison, give me the Mountain Dew.
Okay.
This is for the devil in all of us.
Let him have it, Ben.
Gee,
Where he went?
Wherever he went, when he comes back, we'll be ready for him.
Come on, smash the bottle.